They said we were out of our depth. We dug deeper and left our mark.
As newcomers, we were expected to fail, but we have shown them what over 3 decades of racing experience can do. We have successfully completed in the very first year.
What does it take to make it to the biggest race in the world?
The opportunity to race the Dakar comes once in a lifetime. Even though I broke my collarbone a few weeks ago, it's not going to stop me to race the Dakar in 2020.
This rally pushes the best riders and machines to the limit.
The RTR 450 has been designed to take on the most punishing conditions.
A test that demands absolute focus and commitment.
To endure world title and still nothing can prepare you to the Dakar.
This is a race where time is not only the enemy on the dunes, but off it as well.
After every stage, the crew members work overnight to get the setup perfect.
This is real danger. No cushioning barriers, no medical crews for miles.
I fall down in the car in 6 states. I broke 3 vertebrae and 6 ribs. Back on the bike in 6 months, and I chased the podium in 8 months.
They said we'd be at the back of the pack because only those with focus can run at the front.
After 12 difficult days, winning, that is focus.
For 6 years in a row, the odds have been stacked against us. Yet we beat them again and again. Because when we look Dakar in the eye, we dare to defy.
We dare to defy.
We dare to defy.
Dare to defy.
We dare to defy.
The Sherco TVS Rally Factory team dares to defy Dakar for the 6th time.